里面有爸爸，一个是爸爸的手，一个是妈妈的手，不是问题。
哦，好凉哦。
不要笑孩子。
挺凉快耶。不会啊，我往前放。
This is the Bara, also known as the Himalayan blue sheep, a favorite prey of the snow leopard. The blue tint on the Bara's coat makes it almost invisible against the light brown or blue-green typically found in this country. Moving on to the king of all animals. Adult animals have impressive spiral flaps. Marbles are endangered due to relentless searching for the ornamental value of their horns. It is the demand for animal parts like these that pushes many species toward extinction. Remember, you buy, they die.
我觉得有，我全因为我小女孩，我真有。罗云九羊了，倒了。看这个，我到现在看到一只羊。年纪快随手旁边了。哦，这个呢？哦，啊？在肉啊？这是火烈鸟。
You leave the foothills behind and wade through the mud. You can meet striking great flamingos. Flamingos feed without even looking at food. With their head upside down, they take you out of water and strain honey from the water using their specialized beaks. Green Bay awaits the eternal job. Look to your right to catch a glimpse of our pelicans. Pelicans are social birds that live, travel, and hunt in flocks. At dusk, the pelicans settle down for a tranquil roost. These majestic birds, with their large throat pouch and long beak, are perfectly adapted to hunt fish. Contrary to popular belief, pelicans do not store fish in their pouch. After scooping up their prey, they quickly drain the water before swallowing their meal.
可以装鱼，可是那个袋子不会储存鱼，它会过滤掉水。
As you move into the trail, look around.
这边有两个人，
These are the
这两个
Bara
猩猩。
known
这边
as
这里也有。
deer. In Hindi, Bara means 12 and Singha means 4. Barasingha refers to the multiple points on the male's antlers. The antlers are formidable weapons used to fend off rival stags during the mating season. After each mating season, the antlers are shed.
知道我们一个护栏吗？不用怕，人类在前面走，就是这很安全，是有我们观光客在那边走。
Predators and their prey interact in unique ways within an ecosystem. Keep your eyes peeled and your ears wide open, for many animals living in the dark do make sounds to communicate with one another. True enough. Can you hear that? That is the sound of the striped hyena, the only hyena species found in Asia. These highly elusive animals have very powerful jaws that can crack open bones. Their big ears and extremely keen sense of hearing allow them to zero in on an ongoing kill happening kilometers away. Their hind legs are shorter than their front legs, giving them a strange gait, but this helps them run long distances. After large predators such as lions are finished with their meals, hyenas come in opportunistically to feed on the scraps. Scavengers like hyenas play a vital role in the ecosystem by keeping the environment clean. Now, when you have hyenas, it's very likely that you'll see lions close by. To the right, these are Asiatic lions. Unlike their African cousins, Asiatic lions do not form very large prides. A pride of Asiatic lions typically comprises 1 or 2 males, 2 to 3 females, and several young. Lions rely heavily on tactical hunting approaches, for they lack the speed of cheetahs and the stealth of leopards. Lions have to work as a team to bring down larger prey such as buffaloes. Asiatic lions used to be found across India and the Middle East, but the natural habitat is disappearing. Now they are restricted to a very tiny area of India, in the northwestern part of the country, in Gujarat. The few that remain in the wild today are found in a wildlife preserve in the Gir Forest Sanctuary. They currently exist in the wild only as a small single population. A single event like a large forest fire could cause them to be extinct. Here at Night Safari, we are proud to have successfully bred our lions as part of a global effort to sustain the population of these species under human care. Found in the hot, dry grasslands and forests of South Asia and the Indian subcontinent, the sloth bear is not related to the sloth. Europeans call it a sloth bear because it has long curved claws. Sometimes that is Up next, second largest land animal in Asia, greater white ostrich. Also known as the Indian rhino, it can weigh over 3 tons. Observe the bumpy texture of the animal's skin and its distinctive folds, giving it a segmented, armor-plated look. While it may look tough, rhino skin is in fact very sensitive. Rhinos do not sweat, like you and I, which is why they are often found near water bodies. Wallowing in the mud helps them keep cool. With only 200 individuals left in the wild at the start of the 20th century, Indian rhinos were close to extinction. With concerted conservation efforts, the population now stands at 3,500. Rhinos have poor eyesight. They rely mostly on their sense of smell to navigate and communicate. Feces and urine are used to mark their territory. Sniff the air. You might catch a whiff of this, or the scent of other creatures of the night. Keep your eyes peeled. Denizens of the nocturnal world magically melt away into the background as if under a cloak of invisibility. Over to your right, everyone. Try spotting the spotted hyenas. Predators like these will always remain concealed until the right moment. Spotted hyenas are not just scavengers, but formidable hunters too. They produce a variety of calls that communicate hierarchy, advertise territory, together effect. These social animals form groups called clans. Can you spot Cardian species grazing in the shadows? These are males spot antlers, which are used to spar with their males for mates. After the mating season, the antlers fall. If you peer down the left, you'll be able to catch sight of the Cape buffaloes grazing or taking a cool dip. These massive animals can usually be found near water. Both males and females have heavy, ridged horns that are used for defense against predators. Males also use their horns to establish dominance in the herd. Here on the left, we have aggressive Nile hippopotamuses. They spend most of their day submerged in cold water, emerging at dusk to eat their fill of grass. Despite their bulk, hippopotamuses have a surprisingly small appetite. They consume just 1.5% of the body mass daily. The nighttime supper and daytime rest routine must be especially energy efficient. No night safari tour is complete without a walk through the forest on the well-marked, easy-to-follow trails. Other elusive nocturnal animals, such as the Tasmanian devil and the Sunda penguin, can only be seen on foot. You might want to explore Leopard Trail, Tiger Trail, Tasmanian Devil Trail, and the Penguin Trail.